Alright, good morning. How you guys doing? I hope everyone's doing good. And wow, it's been a rough week. This whole week I didn't really get a trade. I tried to enter a trade, but I got out because it was really looking messy and it's not what I wanted to see. So I actually got out of the trade and it turns out that trade failed. So I was just lucky. So now just let's just go over what we were anticipating ever since last week. What we have been anticipating. So one, we were anticipating price to go into this order block and then yeah, over here also. I never, correlated it with the Euro USD bar. Here it is. We saw price going into this order block a few days ago, and then we are anticipating price to at least get to this order block level. And where's our other block? We are using this up candle, these two up candle, because it's the biggest range. We could use this one, and price could go into this one, but we are going to use this one as our other block because it has the biggest range. Price could, tap into this area and then reject. So that's why you have to use this one. And it has the biggest range. That's why it's an order block. So we saw price going into it, and potentially it did go into the fair value gap that we do have here. We do have the fair value gap. Not even this one. You can use from here to here. That's an imbalance, and it got filled here. And now we anticipate to see where price is going to go next. So when we go to the 4 hour, drop down to the 4 hour. We do see price expanded, closing below the swing low of this candle. This is actually giving me an idea. Oh, sorry. It's telling me price is changing structure. So I actually use this as market structure shift because price has closed below the swing low of this candle and then it's showing willingness to go down, as you can see. Not really willingness to go down because it's kind of slow. So actually right now what I'm actually waiting for is I want to see what price is going to do. If we see price return to this area, I'm actually going to find a way to enter trade going downwards. But what is confusing me right now is we see price in here, price rejected hard here and went up, and now we do see price, coming back down. But this is not what I want to see. So far, I'm going to stick with bearishness because I think I'm going to assume price is rejecting from the weekly order block. And the reason why I'm going to do that is I'm using that is as you can see from previous trades or previous weeks or months. Since last year we've been bearish. We saw price reach for this other block rejected. We saw price drop rejected from this other block. We saw price go higher, taking out this high. We have a turtle soup rejected, and then we do see price went high into this volume rebalance and rejected. And over here we do see an order block. So we do have an order block here, and then we do see the displacement down into the fair value gap, the daily fair value gap on the other side. Sorry, it's weekly fair value gap on the other side. So I'm assuming price is going to hold. This order block should hold and then drop. But also, mind you, we do have a rejection block. I don't really like to use rejection block because It doesn't really appear much in my trading, but I do know this here is a rejection block, and price could go reach for it before dropping lower, taking out this low. But first off, we do want to see price reach for the fair value gap, and if it closes through the fair value gap, then we look for this low. So yeah, so far this is what I'm looking for, and if we drop down to the hourly, we see the displacement, price left an order block, price failed to get to the other block. So I'm anticipating to see price reject from this area, go to this other block, and then from here I look for entries to go down. So yeah, so far this is what I want to share. And wait, one more thing. We see this consolidation. So price was consolidating, and then we had a breakout of the consolidation. So this is a very, very good sign that price is going to go lower. We could be very, very, very wrong, but this is what we anticipate. We anticipate for bearish pricing. Yeah, so this will be all, and I hope you guys actually understood what I was saying, because I'm kind of tired and I'm kind of all everywhere. But I do hope you guys got value out of this video. So yeah, see you guys next time, because trading, we don't really have specific dates that we get trade. So see you guys next time. When something comes up, as I always say, I'm going to update you guys. All right, safe, have a good trading.